Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise in support of House Bill 262. I just want to very briefly throw some observations your way. Back in 2004, when this legislation was being considered, it was the intent and it was the thinking at that time that the Pennsylvania State Police would have the oversight in conducting research into the casino applications, as the young lady from Philadelphia had mentioned, the state police. Lo and behold, at the 11th hour, changes were made, and we had that the Pennsylvania Gaming Control Board with the BIE was now doing the investigations. A total surprise to many of us, but someone said taking politics out. I think that was politics in. Another thing about the issue of politics. In the casino slots license legislation that was passed, the promoters put in two poison pills, so that if either one of these items were maneuvered, the $50 million would go back to each of the casino owners. The one poison pill was that the state could receive no more than 34% as a tax, and the second poison pill was that you could not increase the members on the Gaming Control Board to more than 7. Mr. Speaker, follow the money? Well, I have an observation. The governor who signed this bill into law received, prior to him signing the gambling bill into law, received thousands of dollars from the casino, from the gambling operatives, thousands of dollars of campaign money. So I'm not making any suggestions, but I'm just giving an observation here. It was also at that time, for those members who were here back in 2004, do you remember how quickly they were moving the applications through? The Pennsylvania Gaming Control Board was kind of moving them forward so that we could get casino gambling, so that we could get these property tax dollars for the people of Pennsylvania. How many times did we read in the paper where the other applicants were saying, how comes I didn't get the license? What I submitted was as equal or better to what the person who got the license got. I think there are even a couple lawsuits because some organizations who had submitted the application for a casino license in that particular area felt that they were not properly given their due reward. And then, Mr. Speaker, we have the whole issue then of this casino industry, an industry that has to be tightly regulated, an industry in which millions of dollars are transacted on a daily basis. And if we don't have the high regulation, what we're going to see is crime and corruption, and we're going to see many Pennsylvania families who already have been hurt, some destroyed. We're going to see that continue to grow. And how do we try to bring some common sense to this whole issue? We do it by supporting House Bill 262. This is a measure that will help in the stabilization of this industry, make sure that it's under tight regulation, and that in this global economy, where people from across the countries want to invest into these casinos, we have a law enforcement agency that can get that protected information that a non-law enforcement agency cannot secure. So for those reasons, Mr. Speaker, I ask for a yes vote on House Bill 262. Thank you.